Hello again. I really love tea, if you can't tell by all of that is tea. In the summer, I can't really do the hot tea, it's just too hot. So I like to make large batches of hot tea and turn it into sweet tea. I'm gonna try something new today. So come along with me and we're gonna see if this works. All right, so I have 2 cups, or a little over 2 cups actually, of tea. This is how much tea I used. This is the tea that I have. That's a lavender Earl Grey tea. It smells so good. But it's a loose leaf tea that I get from, I believe, Kroger. But I love this tea. It's so good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour this in here because I don't have room for my sugar. But before I do that, I'm going to microwave it just to warm it back up just a bit. All right, so to this, I'm gonna add, I can tell you how humid it is in my house. Sugar's all clumped. I'm probably gonna do, I would say that I'm doing a whole cup, but obviously I'm getting some. So I'm gonna do 4 of these because this is a 4th cup measure. But obviously it's had some issues. I'm probably gonna wash that. What? Actually, here, since I know I'm gonna wash it, let's just use it to stir this in. Now that seems like an awful lot of sugar for this small amount of tea, which it is. But think of this more as like a concentrate. Give me 1 second. Just gotta get all that sugar dissolved. I probably should have warmed this up just a little bit more. But anyway, that tea steeps for anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. Hold on, I'll check and see. It's mostly all dissolved. All right, now I am gonna pour it back in here to put in these. These are ice cube things, but they're hexagon shaped and I thought they were so cute. So I have a yellow one and I have an orange one. I have a big Pyrex thing, but I'm just gonna put these on here just to give them a little more stability. But I'm just gonna fill all of these up. They don't have to be, you know, completely full. All right, now we're just gonna freeze these until they're completely frozen, and I will be back. All right, so it's the next day, and I'm going to actually lay these out because this thing is loud. And here's my tea. But they still froze to the Pyrex. Okay. And again, these bags are by Grove. And I don't remember, I want to say I got this at TJ Maxx, but I believe you can get them on Amazon. Finally got one out. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in here. I do like creamer in my tea. I'm just gonna put a few of these in here. My hands are getting so cold. That's probably enough. Alright, so I'm gonna wipe off a little bit of tea that got on the front of this bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the freezer before I continue on. I just picked up one of those pieces of tea. Oh, it tastes good. Okay. The reason I added so much sugar, when you freeze things, you need more intense flavors when things are frozen. Otherwise, it's kind of like it dulls it. So, okay, here we go. Stick that in there. This is gonna be very loud. And you just want to pulse it. You don't want to... Should be enough. Oh, come on. Come out of there. And it is. I'm just making a huge mess. That's fine. Very freaking cold, but again, it's like 90 bajillion degrees outside, and the humidity is like a bajillion %. So, you know, I think I deserve a nice cool treat. All right, there it is. I'll be right back. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make me some dinner. And I kind of just want some egg salad. Alright, so these are just those, there's no boil eggs. And I'm just going to get a couple of them and stick them in here. So I'm just going to crumble these up. I just realized, I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. All right, so I got my eggs chopped up. Mayonnaise. All right. So the way that I make my egg salad is just a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit, and again, we only use Dukes in this house, and then just some yellow mustard. Not a whole lot. I'm not a big fan of mustard, but just like that much. And then you need some relish. This is just classic dill relish. Now, you know, people have, you know, like those slotted spoons they get relish out with, but I have found a fork works just as well. And I'm gonna give that another mix. It's missing something, but I can't tell what it is. I may just do a little more salt, a little more pepper. That fixed it. That was what it needed, was the salt and the pepper. I didn't want to add too much because I know I already put some on the eggs. But let's see. Let me clean up and I'll be right back. I'm gonna try my drink first. So here's my drink. No, you cannot have this. What do you think this is? All right, so here we go. Baghura, you cannot have tea. That is better than anything you can ever get at Starbucks, ever. Oh, I just want to eat this. I know, Baghura. But must also try this, which you cannot have either, so don't even think about it. I'm watching you. Yeah, I'm watching you. Yes, what I thought. Alright, so there's my no. There's my cracker with my egg salad on it. That's the taste of home right there. Reminds me of summer afternoons, sitting with my grandmother outside, eating lunch. And we'd have egg salad, sandwiches on paper towel plates, and just sit and enjoy the afternoon. I don't like being an adult. Let me go back to being a kid. But anyway, I'm gonna finish my dinner. Baghura and I are gonna sit here and we're gonna play some Stardew Valley, and I'm just gonna chill out and relax. I hope y'all have a fabulous day, and I'll see y'all next time.